Hi everyone, I'm Marissa Leone, an attorney with Calidus Legal AI. In this video, I will walk you through creating a Reliance List for your expert witnesses. If you go to our homepage, you can find the Reliance List tool under the AI Litigation Solutions column on the left-hand side. It's about halfway down the list. Click Reliance List to get started. Create a new matter by selecting the Add Matter button. Enter the name of your case and add a brief description. The new Reliance List, you'll be able to upload documents. And then you'll include information about your expert witness and the format that you would like to download your Reliance List. We support Word and Excel. At the very bottom, you'll see a Finish button. Go ahead and select that. Once complete, you'll get a notification that your document has created, and you can select the Word document or the Excel file to download it. You can go to the Command Center at any time to review the completed Reliance List. They'll be listed here on the left-hand side. And of course, anytime you want to create a new Reliance List, you can select the right-hand side. That will take you back to the new Reliance List tab. If you have any questions about this solution or any others on our platform, please reach out to us at support@calidusai.com. Good luck.